internet, welcome back to my channel. So today I have been filming like Zenpop boxes like back to back to back, but I swear I have also been filming a bunch of other videos on the side. I just haven't really gotten around to editing them and putting them together, so that's part of why there's a lot of Zenpop box unboxing videos, just because as I'm working on other videos, the boxes come and time just keeps ticking on by. So yes, that's why. But hopefully, well, I don't promise anything, but I'm hoping that the next video will not be Zenpop. It'll be something else, and then likely another Zenpop box. Anyways, I digress. I just really want to open this box so that I can start digging into all the goods in here. So this is a September box, as you can see, and it is going to be September pretty soon. Okay, so it's like a dotted pen. Yeah, it looks like it's a dot pen. We have to try this out at the end of the video. Ah, okay. It's like 3 different pens, markers, but like dot. Yeah, I'll try this at the end to see exactly what it's like. Oh, I'm kind of excited. They have a Midori notebook, which I love Midori quality notebooks and stuff, so I'm really excited to try this. I already know what they're like, but I'm excited to use it. It's a blank notebook. It's perfect size, A6. Can't wait. These are some post-it notes. It's like a little bear in like ice cream cup or something. I think these post-it notes are, yeah, they're like on the translucent side, so they're not exactly paper. It's almost like a bit of a plasticky feel. Very, very cute. We have a couple washi tapes here. So this one you can see is like a fish washi tape, kira kira. And then this one is, oh, it's like aquatic. All right, so duh, Celina. Just kind of figuring out now that the theme seems to be like an aquatic theme. But I love this one. Do you see? I love this. Look at this. It's so cute. It's like little sea creatures. That is the cutest. Alright. I'm pretty sure it says clear tape. So this little one is not going to be a washi paper per se. It's like a plasticky feeling tape. But oh my gosh, it's so cute. There's so many different sea creatures here. And then this one is probably going to be washi paper by the looks of it. But it's just a bit more of a standard design. Yeah, very cute. All right, a few more items. So we have a uni ball pen. Yeah, a uni Jetstream pen. 0.7. Okay, I don't think I own a 0.7 one, so that's going to be new for me. And light blue. I'm excited to try that. And then 2 more items. No, 3. So these are bookmarks. That's cute. Very beautifully designed bookmarks. We have some like jelly stickers, aquatic jelly stickers. I love the penguins, they're so cute. And then these are transfer stickers. Oh, okay. I actually have a few of these, but I haven't used them because they're just a bit of a hassle sometimes, but I really love them. So basically there's those rub-on stickers where they're like designs where you just like position them on your book, and then you have to like use a pen or coin or something and rub it on, and then it transfers the design onto your journal. But the thing about this one that I love is that it adds almost no bulk to your journal, because I'm like very sensitive about stickers that add bulk. That's the whole reason I'm trying to make washi tape stickers, but I digress. That's a whole other video. So these ones are really, really good at not adding bulk. But yeah, it's not as simple as just like picking a sticker and sticking it on. Like, it is a little bit more involved. So yes, and they're quite a bit more expensive than regular stickers. And I don't know how to make these. So yeah, anyways, I'm excited. And that's everything in the box. So let's check out those pens. So try the Jetstream pen first. Sorry for the like random cable sitting here. You guys know in the last video, I've started filming on my working desk. So this desk is always in motion, functioning, that sort of thing. There's always going to be stuff lying about. Oh, okay. It's not actually light blue. It says light blue here, like the color, but I think that just means that the outside of the pen itself is black, and it's ballpoint. I don't know why I thought maybe it's gel. I think I'm just so used to writing in gel, but this is definitely a ballpoint pen, and it writes beautifully. But I'm not surprised, because the bigger the wider the tip, generally the smoother it writes, and then the smaller, the more scratchy it is. Okay, so it's my phone. This is from Midori as well. Great. All right, it's literally okay. It's literally a dot, you can see, but you do need to apply very equal pressure to get it even. I'm just going to do this so I can see the color a little bit better. Yeah, okay. I find it kind of hard to get an even dot. Could just be me. These colors are beautiful though. They're like a very sepia sort of color. Blue, kind of a grayish purple, slate, and green. I actually really love these colors. I'm like, I know it's just August/September at the moment, but the Hobonichi, the new Hobonichi planners are coming out soon, and I'm been actually buying a bunch of different planners to kind of figure out what my planning life will be like next year. My planning life this year was been terrible, but that's because it's the first year of my daughter's life, and I always kind of knew that first year of a baby's life, I don't spend a lot of time planning. I'm just very hands-on. But second year, baby's more independent, and I go back to work, so the planners start to come back into action again, and so I'm really excited to see what 2026 planner setup is going to be like, and I'll definitely film a video on that. But yes, anyways, that is everything in September's Zenpop box. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching. This is Celina reporting from my room. Back to you, internet.